6 Sidul Kupia Phansi Kibima Arlengatu Lapen Inglong Asua Khai Aphan Keraira Kapivir Vedeji Aphansi 6 Sidul Selamlo Lake 100% Arleng Pen Inglong Asua Tuma Phansi Jado Ana Sonta Reserve Deadlo Autonomous Council Election Lapen Town Committee Lapen Serwan Cap Mate Village Council Election Lapen Cooperative Society Lapen Kaprek Doan Election Alongta Sidul Tribe Atum Ansi Wood Jok Long Chot Nangji Pu Aron Pen Tok Deadlo Sidul Tribe Kalidet Atum Qualifying Death Arni An Ningkan Krihini 6 Sidul Angkang Arlu Kedotang Atum Si Wood Jok Dun Long Chot Ji Karbiang Long Ke 3/11/1951 Arni Si Autonomous District 6 Sidul Aron Pen Keseng La Apotsi Sidul Tribe Kalideratum 3/11/1939 Arni Aprang Karbianglong Arluk Kedo Atumsi Wood Jok Long Choji Lake The Assam Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 Along Rule 128 Sub Rule 3 Kipudo MDC MEC Town Committee Cooperative Society Amembarta ST Atumsi Arjabdun Long Chodlo Nominate MDC MEC Ta ST Atumsi Long Chot MP Pen MLA Aphanta ST Atumsi Long Chot Nangjite ST Kalideratum Ke Kaprek Debok Head A General District Along Le Wood PP Dun Nangjipu Constituent Assembly Debates Along Kipudo Lake Legislative Assembly Lapen Parliamentary Election Alam Tahai